Please subscribe to the Eyes of Owen.
Owen, I love you too much. Huh? I love you long time. You forget me.
Right, watch this. I'm going to do it. I'm going to do it properly. I'm going to think about what I'm going to do with this door. Home again, Owen. Oh, Cap. Oh, I want to go down. Sorry, Cap. Thai video na mi Cap. Con chirai Cap. Chirai. Oh, my me went Oh, I cannot see. I'm blind as a bat. That reminds me, I forgot my specs. So I'm gonna have to go and get my glasses because I can't stand not being able to see what I'm doing. It's a thing of old age. Come on, son, get a grip. Take two.
I cannot speak English.
ทำไม
พูดภาษาเยอรมัน
Okay, thank you. I don't know who that was. It's going on to me in that lift. Well, I've got to change some money. I've got £100 in English. And the old doc give me some old pesos. So I'll see if I can change them. No, it might be about 7 or 8 quid or something. Give him the money when I get back to England. But as he's getting on a bit, he's probably forgot about it now. Mission aborted. Up to Cozy Beach area. It's too late today. It's now 9:45. I've been dithering. I don't know what I was doing. Just dithering about. So I'll just have a wander around, see what I can see. But Pattaya, everyone's seen it all. I might try and find a couple of little side stories and have a look round. So I'll be meeting old Rubber Dab Dab for breakfast soon, which don't mind because it's only a week, and then I'm back to my old solo travelling, which I also enjoy. So then I can do what I want. I can do what I want now, you know what I mean? But when you're with someone, you meet up for breakfast and have a look round together. I've enjoyed it. Been good company. Been good company. Had a good laugh. So he's an old monk buying some canoes. These are really nice. Like a donut mixture. Not too sweet. I've had them before. I'm going to try and watch my figure. Old Cheap Charlie's on the left. Good, go there every day for breakfast. A group of well-dressed men here. I don't know where they're from.
Yeah, I've gone up 10.
Not 10 back then?
I'm good for it.
English. So this is like soup.
โอ้ไม่ย่างนี่ก็ได้
อะไรครับ
ขนมจีนน้ำยาป่า
ขนมจีน
น้ำยาป่า
อร่อย
อร่อยเด็ด
Okay, thank you. Sausages and stuff. She'll have been asked what that is a million times in her life. That's why she didn't show the slightest bit of interest. Let's have a quick look round here. All the gents clubs. I'll put the name there. I can't remember. It's gone out of my head. Still haven't been in any of them. Obviously the rab won't come down here. He's terrified of cats. I don't know why. Sorry, cap. Soy tini churai cap. Soy ชื่ออะไรครับอะไรนะ boomerang, that's it, thank you. Yeah, boomerang. I couldn't remember to save my life. Boomerang, not boomerang. Boomerang. So you've got all your different gents clubs. Let me have a look round, but I'm only here for a week, and you just can't plan anything. Plus, as you're getting older, you ain't got the strength. You have not got that strength anymore. The old hideaway on the left.
In Hacienda.
Alright. Yeah. I've not been in, I've passed it, but I've not been in yet.
We went
But
last
I'll go
night.
in.
Quiet last night.
Quiet, yeah.
Our birthday party tomorrow in Buku.
Just past the hideaway there, and a couple of subscribers. I've only walked 50 metres, and I forgot the names already. It's not because I'm ignorant or whatever, just can't remember names. But nice guys. I think one's Stevie. Yeah, I think one's called Stevie. A guy, he's done an intro for me, and I think the guy from Australia might be called Shane. But yeah, nice guys having the breakfast there. Bit croaky voice, had a heavy night last night. While I'm wandering around, I'm going to try and find a little travel shop and see about getting to Koh Chang if I decide to go there. And also I want to find out if I can get from the Jomtien bus station to Hua Hin instead of going to the airport like I did last time and getting the bus from the airport to Hua Hin with Bell Travel, which was absolutely fantastic. I don't mind doing that. But there might be another option. Or I could go to the other bus station in Pattaya. I can't remember the name. Is it the northern bus station or whatever? I just bought a new pair of trainers, $2.50. I left my old ones with her. Them black Reebok ones, because the tread had gone on the bottom. She didn't want them. She says, no, I don't want. So she just threw them in a bin. Because there was no tread, and when it was a bit wet, or walking on some of the tiles, I was slipping. Slightly a little bit tight, but they'll break in. That would have been a funny interaction, but I didn't film it because I wanted to take my, you know what I mean? Take one shoe off and put this on and doing all that sort of stuff. But it would have been funny when she says no and she threw me into a bin. But you can't film everything. So I'm just having a wander off this little toy. I don't know the name of it. It's behind Tupcom. That's the area we're in, behind Tupcom. Little soy here. There used to be a market that went through, but I think that's all been closed down. I'll have a bit of a wander down here, get and sell a coffee, then go and meet up with the old Rav. I've got to look for a travel shop, keep getting sidetracked buying trainers and things like that. I've got to change some money. Little interesting size like this, I like. Wandering about, trying to interact with people. Sawadee krab.
สวัสดีครับ
อันนี้อะไรครับ
ข้าวต้ม
ขนมนะ
ขนม
หวานไหม
ไม่หวานมาก
มา
inside banana
อ๋อกล้วยนะ กล้วย อันนี้
อันนี้เปียกปูน
มะพร้าว
มะพร้าว
อันนี้อะไร
อันนี้ข้าว
ข้าวโอเค
อร่อย
โอเค thank you กินแล้ว thank you. So we've got some like little chicken livers perhaps and some fish, pork, chicken, quite tasty. Nice little stall there. Chưa lại có.
อันนี้ไส้กรอกอีสาน
ไส้กร
ค่ะ
อก เผ็ดไหม
ไม่เผ็ด
ไม่เผ็ด
อันนี้ไม่เผ็ดวุ้นเส้นใส่หมูอันนี้จะเผ็ดหน่อยนะ
เผ็ดนะ
อันนี้เผ็ดเยสสไปซี่นะ
สไปซี่อร่อยไหม
ก็อร่อยสำหรับ
อร่อย
อันนี้คนเหนือของเหนื
โค
อ
ฮะ
อันนี้อีสาน
พิซซ่านะชอบไหม
แล้วก็ชอบ
ชอบโอเค
เอาข้าวเหนียวห่อหนึ่งค่ะ
ขอบคุณมากครับ
จ้า
Yes, although I think there was something similar to what I had in Chiang Mai. One is just like a normal sausage and the other one was spicy. I've been told off a couple of subs when they left comments that there's also a sour version. I've never tried that. Pigeon Thai strikes again. We've got a nice little cafe. I mean, no, we haven't. This lady selling some fish. It's like noodles. Yeah, look like noodles then to me. Sorry, Cap. Oh, this lady's playing with a kitten. They'll get a bit of footage here. Sawadee Krab. โอ้สวยมากแมวชื่ออะไรครับ
ชื่ออะไรวะกาแฟ
กาแฟอายุเท่าไหร่
มา
Baby นะ
ประมาณ3 months มั้ง
3 months. Your cat? Yours? Your cat? Hello. น่ารัก
น่ารักเลยอ้วนกินข้าวสิลูก
Okay, ขอบคุณมากครับ So here's the market, but the main market, which used to be behind here, it's gone. Maybe due to COVID, perhaps it cleaned it all up. But before COVID, I used to like walking around here. But it's gone now. It's only a very small market. Ayun. Ayun. This guy's the old ice factory. I know a yard that used to be in a group called the Ice Factory. About 40 years ago, I keep mentioning it. I don't know why. Jerusalem. They were once on Granada reports. So it's on about 10:30. A little bit of strolls. Still haven't seen a travel shop. This lady across does smoothies. Should I get a coconut smoothie? Mango, I've had before. I've never had a coconut smoothie. Mango, I've had watermelon, got fancy. Sorry, Cap. Bird Mai? Bird?
Yes.
You eat from India, nah?
Burma.
Burma. Ah, okay. You can speak Thai? Kun put past the Thai?
Hi, no.
Nít nói? Little bit? Okay, maybe right. You're from Burma. I don't know the first thing about Burma. Coconut?
Coconut.
Not half? Oh, okay, maybe right.
Mango.
No, it's okay, thank you. I wanted coconut, but I will come back another time. How you say in Burma? Hello. In Burma? English? Hello. Thai? Sawadee Krab. Burma?
Yes,
How you say? Yes, yes? Okay. Yes, yes. Owen, Owen, Owen.
Rusty chicken ให้บนไม่มีอยู่